what else happens at the end of the month over at our house.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's fucking snowing bad.
Cruise ship room trying to get Jenny back in a fucking bottle.
We're still making good time for the amount of snow that's coming down.
And my wife's the nicest person I ever met, but you get her peeing there, sitting in a couple of glasses of red wine.
Just waiting to see that neon
you something about
wrapped
you
up in
that
the thing.
you don't know.
The snow's falling pretty hard now.
I'm all
It's
ears.
coming down, it's blowing. Fucking insane every time I go on a fucking trip. It ends up like this. This fucking beetle in front of us is in the middle of the road and shit. I don't know.
It wouldn't be any of this
Anyways, just thought
nonchalant.
I'd
Oh,
let
look,
you
I'm
know.
spotting. Fuck that.
The
I'd be
last
running
thing
down
I
the
went
road
through
like
with
my hair
Robert
was on fire.
Codwell. White Jeep.